Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Suunto application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the app, tap on the watch icon in the top left corner, right here. Wait until the watch is done connecting with your phone. Although I don't think you need to wait, we can also scroll down and tap on Manage Connection right here. Then tap on Forget and tap on OK. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, find the Suunto Vertical on the list of my devices, tap on Info, tap on Forget Device and tap on Forget Device. And then we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.